We the life of the party.
Brought that damn lens thing up like this shit up.
She just woke up.
SluggaView Productions, baby. SluggaView PM today. You know, we rocking new shit. 7 jeans, you know. Big Sean, Jizzle, Soldier One, Baby Girl, Lady KJ.
Then we about to pray me.
Yeah. Them town, baby. Look at her, ain't she fine?
Money gang, I'm feeling you already know what it is, boy. It's your boy Player Top. Look, playing 2 times, man. We just there having a fun, man. We making moves out here. Shout out to my boy Slugger, man. He got his baby girl down here, man. We great parents, man. Be sure my dad what it is, man. Love y'all. SluggaView, Trial Squad, Money Gang, that's how we do it, man.
Dub Car Show SluggaView. Make sure y'all check out.
Wait, ain't she fine as a motherfucker?
Make some noise for Mario, made back on the building, y'all. New single, Let's Talk. Killed in the Bag of Money remix, MIA, so made 2. Maybach, I was in the building. Single, sexy ladies, where you at?
Like a bag of money, I go and get it and I let her count it for me.
We going to the club tonight.
And she always ride it for me.
So if you like mature enough, you know, to be present.
Hey, Tasha. Overlook the city blowing out of back. You better blow my mind. Hey, back up. I'm better with time and it's a fire. Go back to life.
We always going to do this. Ain't nothing about Mr. Deal, man. Mr. Dub Car, Scrap Spot, man. And that was like the homie, man. We done turn up for 3 times. Shout out. Search up.
Because I need you to understand what's about to happen right now. We've been feeding the streets for a long time right now, so you know it's only right. We came to Memphis for the Dub Car Show to shut it down. I'm the one and only DJ Holiday. They call me Brick Squad Zone, you know what I'm saying? And I got a homeboy in the dressing room want to come out here and tear it down real quick. Memphis, I need you to make some noise one time for my brother, Trap Zone, Gucci, man, let's go!
What's happening? Hey, it's Gucci in here, right? I'm from East Atlanta. I want to know where y'all from. Say what? Say what?
Put your hands up right now! Where you from? Hands up, Gucci!
East Atlanta 06. That's my hood. That's my hood, nigga. That's my hood. Glenwood and Brush Road. That's my hood.
Yeah!
That's my hood.
That's my hood!
On the press the flesh show.
What?
That's my hood.
Hands up!
That's my hood. Yeah, that's my hood. I can't forget Cattle Road. That's my hood. That's my hood, nigga. That's my hood.
Hold on, Gucci.
That's the man in.
What?
Everybody copy.
What? Gucci.
Who my real niggas up? 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 I go falling on G's, down on shades, up in the club like a KKK parade. DJ scream my name, bitches turn their head. Lights I know my section, holla, can I get some old school? I've been all around the world. So with everybody, you can't tour, you can't travel, you still everybody. Pussy rappers, pussy rappers, pussy rappers, pussy rappers. I'm about to go crazy, click on everybody. I'm a strap, cocky bitch, and they need You know, we started some new shit in the city, you know what I'm saying? It's called the youth of Memphis, you know what I'm saying? And with that being said, nigga, I want to present them to you. What's up, little homie? Put the hands up! Put the hands up! Put the hands up! I said burn that tree! I said burn that tree! You can go! Shout out to my niggas saying something in the building. South Memphis, what's up? That shit don't stop here, nigga. Let's go. What we doing? What's South Memphis at? We gonna do it like this. Where you went down? My nigga Young Dolph in this motherfucker. Cash Stadium, what's happening? That shit don't stop right there, nigga. Listen to this
Letting everybody sleeping. Getting the fuck about it. Taking like 7 on the G's, you know what I'm saying? We got the kicks on, everything brand new from the show.
Y'all gonna speak to the camera?